hey.
Nope, just kidding. It's not Fat Albert. It is the Naughty Investor. Hope everyone's doing well today. Hope you enjoyed that little intro. So why is the market so down today? Why is basically not every coin literally, but the majority of the coins today are in the red. Couple are in the green. Lisk just barely in the green. Waves 1% up. You know, nothing really. Stratus is 6%. Nothing really is doing too well today. A lot of things are down. Yeah, really just not much green at all today. Mostly in the red. But why is this, and what causes this? Well, generally what causes a dip in price is selling, and I usually refer to that as profit taking. But it isn't always profit taking. Sometimes it could be panic selling. So let's say one day, and this is sort of what happened, you see a lot of these coins coming to an all-time high like Bitcoin, and people do profit taking and they sell off and they take their profits and they go home. Or sometimes they reinvest in other coins, and that happens a lot as well, and I'll save that for a different video. But usually that's what happens, and when that happens, people see the price dip and then they panic sell. So profit taking occurs, then panic selling could occur. It doesn't always occur. It depends how much profit taking occurs, and it depends on how people react to it. Now, me personally, I don't sell in the red because I'm not an idiot. You don't want to sell on down days, of course. That's when you want to buy. Today I'm going to be buying a lot. Today, and I'm not sure, if it's going to keep going down. I think it's going to go down a little bit more. So you probably think, oh, why don't you just wait for it to go down? Because I'm not 100% sure, Even if I buy today and it goes down a little bit more for the next couple days, I don't care, because I'm in this for the long term. I'm not a day trader. I'm not someone who's looking to flip a coin to make a quick, easy buck. I'm in this making long-term trades. I do some swing trading on certain altcoins, from week-to-week basis, but mainly my portfolio and my investing strategy is to buy and hold. I buy the dips and I hold through any type of bear or bull market. When am I going to sell? I don't know, and I don't think I'm ever going to completely sell all of my cryptos, and the reason for that is because I think they're all going to keep going up. But eventually I would like to buy a house, and I might, sell some of my cryptos for that, maybe like half of them. But, I'm never going to completely sell all of my cryptos, and the reason for that is because I truly believe in blockchain technology, because I think cryptocurrency is the future and is going to keep rising and gaining more dominance. I mean, you have to understand, cryptocurrency is still a new technology, and the prices we've seen with this is just amazing for a newer technology. And, if you really think about it, cryptocurrency is still a fraction of, the transactions in today's society. So if we're already at, almost $5,500 a Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's still only barely used. I mean, it's not barely used, but it's not used a ton. Imagine what will happen when Bitcoin gains more dominance and when, people start using it more. And the same thing goes for Ethereum and Ripple. What's going to happen when more applications are being built on Ethereum and being used and being ran with Ether and stuff like that? What do you think is going to happen to the price of Ethereum? Well, that's more demand. The price is going to go up. Ripple, what do you think is going to happen when there's more transactions with the Ripple and XRP? The prices are going to go up. Today is a down day. Now, a lot of people have been complaining that Ripple hasn't surged yet. And, my response to that, of course, is, I don't have a magic ball. I can't tell you for certain when it will surge, but I'm just using some fundamental investing analysis to look at Ripple and say, or look at XRP, I should say. Again, I use them interchangeably. A lot of other YouTubers do that as well, but whatever. But to look at XRP and say, hey, when you buy XRP, you're really buying into the technology. You're buying into the idea of this, not the idea, of this amazing technology that I think has a value in of it itself. So a lot of people are like, oh, XRP is like fiat currency. XRP is not like fiat currency. Fiat currency is paper that you just print. XRP, true, it is true that the supply is very large, and in that regard it is similar to fiat currency. But the difference is XRP actually has an underlying value. It actually has a technology that has value and adds value to the world, whereas, you know, the US dollar doesn't, right? The US dollar is just paper. It's not backed by gold or anything. If the US dollar was backed by gold, the prices, instead of the price of the dollar declining, the price of the dollar would be going up, and that would mean we as a country would be getting more richer. I am based in the United States, and I know I'm talking from that perspective. I know there are some foreign listeners on my channel, and I do apologize for that. But yeah, guys, you know, Bitcoin's down 4%, Ethereum's down 3%, XRP 10%. Bitcoin Cash actually was up the other day, but I think, again, some profit taking occurred, because if you look right here and you see it got to a high and then it dipped right down. So, you know, that is definitely profit taking. It's usually indicative of profit taking when you see something get to a high and then dip down like that. So, yeah, you know, Litecoin's down, but Litecoin is not that volatile of a currency or of a coin. I like Litecoin. Dash is down 4%. Neo's down. Oh, Neo's down almost 7%. You know, a lot of things are down today. It is just a bad day. This happens all the time in the stock market, guys. You will see things hit highs, and then things will sell off, and then some panic selling will occur. New investors will come in, as well as the old investors who are holding, and then you'll see the price start to, you know, get back to where it was, and usually it'll go further, and then again you'll have another correction, and it slowly climbs, right? And that's usually what's going to happen on the entire. I'm talking about the cryptocurrency market as a whole, not an individual coin. As a whole, I think we're going to see a lot more growth, and I think we have a lot more potential and a lot more room to run. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, share the video, check out the links in the comments, and I will. Oh, and in the description. What am I saying in the comments? Well, I usually will put one in the comments too. But whatever, guys. Have a great day, and buy the dip.